Registration open. Session 2026 Korean 2027 Pao Khang registration open Salona Bame Mite to pre-nursery Korean class 9 Pao Khang Hillgrove Academy Co-ed Residential School Khonglong Village near National Highway 37 Manipur. Anaw may session kahau ni Mayrina 9th of February 2026 Korean kahau ni. Hosteler daily study timetable Rina Lakwan Khong Charuk Korean Khong Tajat akat niting zintong Khong Pungu Korean Khong Charuk kay bigan kauhai Oza Pungu Rina Komna monitor sulopni Katni Khong Chanai Kurina 7:30 kay bigan kauhai devotion led by chaplain 7:30 Kurina 9:30 Pau Rina Oza Pungu Rina Komna study monitor sulodapani interprofessional services Nungwai Rina chaplain cum counselor akat consultant doctors kanai nursing staff akat nalopani kumna admission fees rina kum session 2026 Korean 27 kang philanthropist rina sponsor sulona free sulopani monthly fee structure rina school fees hostel fees mess fees akat ni tuition fees kagway na kang hai 5,000 per month kumasalopani. Qualified and experienced teachers every Saturday, school's Hindi speaking day, conducive study environment, peaceful campus with scenic beauty, no external disturbances in school academic calendar. All the teachers are residing in the school campus. Parents teachers meeting every after 2 months, affiliated to BOSSM. Managed by Alliance Study Group Delhi, backed by Swangdang Finance Investment. Mitong lam khau kaba kay na tiny minun gway rina dilaw na ba my contact number 9774361488 hamitay 7005838409 hamitay 908-954-3271 kauhai contact sulong na kumna alam lang nupani. Akat ni mitong admission help desk Renata Manglong Korina Lanjai Chung None Korina Agui Ka may akat ni Kushindang may Imphal Korina Cham kumna kanyugoy tong tilaw na ba may contact number kauhai may gate may rin na kumna alam lang nupani. Ton kute.